In this video, we're going to go over 30 top tools you need for a concrete construction site. We compiled this list into 3 categories: construction tools for pouring concrete, construction tools for finishing concrete, and concrete hand tools for testing concrete. Up first, the construction tools for pouring concrete. In this category, there are 18. Mixers, wheelbarrows, rubber boots or work boots, gloves, safety glasses, compactors, levels, tape measures, moisture retarders, saws, shovels, rakes and come-along rakes, tampers, vibrators, screeds, bull floats, magnesium floats, and last but not least, kneeling boards. First, the mixer. There are many options: a truck, a portable mixer, or a wheelbarrow. All would work, so long as the concrete is thoroughly mixed for maximum strength and durability. Wheelbarrows, ideal for transporting or even mixing small batches of concrete on the job site. Rubber boots or work boots. Concrete is stiff stuff, and wearing waterproof boots is the best way to get through it and prevent contact with your skin. It's also easy to rinse your footwear after the concrete is down. Gloves. Many concrete mixes contain potentially caustic admixtures that can cause serious burns from extended contact with bare skin. Gloves prevent overexposure to these components and, say, a few occasional blisters too. Safety glasses. Standard on most job sites, wearing safety glasses is an important safety measure when drilling, grinding, power troweling, or sawing concrete. Compactors. If the site of the concrete slab is to be prepared with a subbase of any type, a compactor helps settle the stone or aggregate into position. Levels. Both the subbase and slab surface must be level. A standard long line level or a laser level will let you verify that the slab is completely according to spec before pouring and after. Tape measures. Concrete forms and slab depths need the same measure twice, pour once verification as any other material on the job site. They are also useful for testing placement and mapping. Moisture retarders. Moisture or vapor retarders are used to prevent water vapor from intruding into a finished concrete slab. They are generally placed directly under on-grade or below-grade slabs. Saws. Reciprocating saws, circular saws, or grinders can be necessary to cut rebar or form on the job. They can also be necessary if a problem develops under the slab and a portion of the concrete has to be removed after it has been set and dried. Shovels. Shovels help distribute concrete around the job site to fill in gaps left during the pouring process or for smaller applications. Square-ended shovels generally work better for concrete. Rounded ones spread concrete unevenly. Rakes and come-along rakes. Using a rake is the quickest way to begin getting the freshly poured concrete spread more uniformly into place. Garden rakes work, but concrete rakes, also called come-along rakes, have a more scooped blade for more easily pre-leveling new concrete. Concrete rakes also have a tine on the back of the blade to help lift rebar or mesh into position before the concrete begins to harden. Tampers. A tamper is used with low slump concrete to push the aggregate below the slab surface. There are types that are used standing on the wet concrete or roller types that can be used from the slab edge. Vibrators. Concrete vibrators help release trapped air pockets and excess water from the concrete mix to prevent possibly compromising problems in medium to high slump concrete. Screeds. Screeds come in a variety of sizes and can be a specific tool, also called straight edges or bump cutters, or can be simply flat pieces of dimensional lumber. The purpose of a screed is to smooth concrete after it has been removed into place by scraping away any excess from the slab surface. Bull floats. Bull floats are wide-bladed tools on a long, possibly telescoping handle that provide the first pass for leveling ridges and filling voids in the concrete after the screed work has been done. Magnesium floats. Magnesium floats or mag floats are smaller handheld floats typically used to float slab edges or to finish work on smaller slabs. Kneeling boards. For hand troweling work especially, kneeling boards provide a smooth way to support your weight on the wet concrete while moving easily along the slab surface. Next, we have 8 construction tools for finishing concrete: trowels, float blades and troweling blades, groove cutter or joint tool, edger, brooms, polishers, grinders, and dust collection systems. Trowels also help smooth concrete surfaces for their finish coats before being left to dry. Hand troweling is common for smaller slabs, or power trowels are often preferred for large slabs. These are varying types of trowels for specific concrete work. Float blades and troweling blades. A variety of blade types are available for floats and power trowels, each designed to accomplish different finishes. Some care must be taken during the troweling stage not to burnish the surface and prolong drying times. Groove cutter or joiner tool. For certain job types, grooving the surface also helps prevent cracking or excess damage from shrinkage as the concrete dries or during use. Edger. An edger is a tool designed to round exposed concrete edges for a smooth finish. Brooms. A traditional finish for a concrete slab is a broom finish, drawing a broom across the surface of the almost dried concrete slab for a slip-resistant surface. The finished look can be a smooth draw or more of an artistic pattern. Polishers. After the slab is dried sufficiently, polishers can be used to produce a surface finish effect, from a gentle smoothing of the surface for traction and safety to a mirror-like finish for an aesthetic finish. Grinders. Grinders can also be used for aesthetic effects like a distress finish, or is also sometimes necessary if a slab surface has been over-troweled and excess moisture is sealed inside the slab. Dust collection systems. When grinding, polishing, drilling, or sawing concrete, a dust collection system helps clear the work area and protect the health of on-site workers. And finally, the 4 concrete hand tools for testing concrete. Thermo Hygrometers, hammer drills or rotary drills, concrete moisture meters, relative humidity or RH test kits. Thermo Hygrometers. Ambient conditions play a big role in determining drying time. A thermohygrometer helps monitor both temperature and relative humidity in the space around the concrete slab and inform of potential remediation methods to speed drying time. Hammer drills or rotary drills. Placing concrete anchors or doing RH tests requires drilling into a cured concrete slab. Hammer drills or rotary drills make the process easier by combining rotation with percussion, a pounding motion that breaks up the concrete faster for easier installation. And don't forget the right bits for the job too. Concrete moisture meters. Concrete moisture meters can provide handy spot checks of drying slabs. However, care must be taken to remember that they, like the Hood method or calcium chloride method, only provide an indication of surface conditions. Relative humidity test kits. For an accurate indication of the internal moisture condition of a drying slab, RH testing with an in situ probe provides effective internal moisture measurement. Backed by ASTM F2170, RH testing can provide necessary moisture data for concrete and flooring installers alike and prevent possible moisture-related problems down the road. To view this full list, descriptions, and specific tool links on Wagner Meters' website, click here. Are there any other tools you like or should be added to this list? Let us know in the comments. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.